Okay, let's make some practice. So, and I'll press this button. Yeah, and now it's recording. So, and now let me fly off. Yeah, so let's start. I'll switch to sport mode and let's fly. Let's fly. Let's make some return. Let's go under this bridge. Okay. Yeah. Oh, I like it. So next thing, let's try to go between these bars. Yeah. And the next thing, let's try to fly inside to my car. I should be really careful. Oh, it's close. It's close. Oh. Yeah. Let's fly. Let's go. Let's go lower. Yeah. Wow. Wow. I think there should be some ducks, but it's okay. So let's stop here. Let's go a little bit up. Okay, let's go back to home. Okay, okay. I see everything. Okay. Yeah, it's too fast. So let's fly up. Okay. So one more time. Let's go between these bars again. Okay. Oh. Yeah, it was too close. Here's my car. Go again. Oh. Ooh. Oh. Okay. Wow. I see someone there. So let's go up. Wow. Yeah, it's our neighborhood actually. Yeah. So let's go down 4 meters. Let's make turn. Yeah, let's make here turn. And up. Yeah. And I think it should land to my hand right now. Let me try. So I will go closer. Closer. And come here. Come here. Come here. Here. Come. Come here. Yeah. Yeah. Ooh. I have it. Ooh. It's really fun. I love it.